Welcome back, everybody, to another video. It is Kyvin282 back at Naruto Blazing. Today, we will be doing an emergency mission because I do need. Sorry. I had a backup for this because I had a feeling it wouldn't be here because it's getting ready for the Nagato update, ready for Tsunade. So you know what we'll do? Let me turn the music down. We will go and play some PvP. That's right. I'm playing PvP. Probably, maybe, I don't know, around 2 matches or so. Sound good to you? I hope it does. Uh-oh. So I'm carrying a Togurama and this Sasuke. Sasuke mainly because he has speed on him. Like, that man has got some speed. Like, I do have Neji, but I do not want to Blazing Awaken him because he would just be like the skill Neji. I'm like, it kind of disappoints me because they could have came up with a different jutsu for him that is also AoE and good for PvP. So, you know, disappointing. But alright, what we are gonna do is go for that Naruto because that Naruto is a big pain in the butt. Alright? Because I just don't like him when he's on the map because that man hits really hard. Like, he always kills my units, so I'm just gonna get rid of him. And Neji's slow. Wait, what speed does Neji have? Only 183. He did not speed pull this guy, so I am good. Alright, we're all good. 20,000 HP. Not bad. Hashirama, I always wanted Hashirama. You know what we will do? Or should I do something like this? And I feel like doing this. Because I feel like my Togurama can outspeed. Or was I sleeping on the job or something? Can he not outspeed? I'm feeling scared now. Oh, no, he didn't outspeed. 285 and 206. Next round he'll outspeed, but not right now. Alright. Togurama, gotta get there, dude. Sasuke's... Oh my god, okay. We will pop off a jutsu on Hashi. It's because he's too fast. I don't trust that man. Come on, kill. Oh my god, alright, no, come on. No! He's gonna switch out. It's all over. It's all ogre. Alright, we're gonna turn the music up. Alright. I'm not sure if I was... Oh no. Looks like Sasuke is dead here. Rock Lee might be dead too. Oh yeah, he's dead. Oh no! Wait, I forgot damage reduction. Let's go, Rock Lee. Let's go. You're a freaking tank. Let's go. We're gonna go for that Neji. Or should I go for that Madara? I'm gonna do something risky. I'm gonna go for the Madara. And we're gonna try to spread out because his Neji's coming next. I managed to switch seal. Alright. Well, he's gonna die. I hope. I hope he's gonna die. Alright, this is good. This is real good. Real good. Come on. No. Alright, we gotta do this. Or we should have went into chakra reduction because Obito would not get his jutsu again. Oh my god! No, I literally think we just won. No way. Wait, does Rock Lee get his jutsu? No, he doesn't. But we could do this. Sasuke is so close to dying. He's lost. I won. GG, dude. GG. Oh, okay. Say, unless he gets his chakra reset. I mean, probably even if he got the chakra reset, he wouldn't even... my Sasuke's dead. Oh. This is looking... This is looking real scary. No, my Gaara's gonna outspeed! But, is Gaara gonna live? Is Gaara gonna live? He's dead either way. If Gaara lives, he's dead. No, Gaara's living. Gaara's living! Gaara's living! Gaara's living! Hey, Sasuke! Sayonara, man! GG! I have beat a whale, guys. I have beaten a whale. This is why this team is so good. I love my team. Promotion battle? We will go for the promotion battle. Why not? Why not? This is probably the last battle. Yeah, last battle. Alright. So his team is not, he doesn't have any Blazing Awakening characters, which is his downfall here, but he does have that Sage Mode Naruto, the 6-Pat Naruto, and that Sasuke. Those 3 characters are what I'm worried about. We are going to go here to get the attack boost, and we're going to reduce the damage. So, all in all, really good strat. Perfect. Naruto's down. He's got to switch. You gotta switch, Naruto! Because I don't want that Naruto to pop up with Jutsu. You know what I should have done, though? I should have gone for that, Kakashi. Now that I think about it. But I think the wait. I thought he was gonna give up. My problem was that I was thinking that I wouldn't be able to put him into the chakra reduction. No, we are going to put... Should we put Pain in there? Kumu? No, Kakashi. Yeah, we're gonna put Kakashi in there. I just don't trust him. Sasuke doesn't have his jutsu. Oh my god. Alright, that was perfect. That was perfect. That was perfect. We are actually... He doesn't have any AoE right now, so we're going to go for the chakra. As well as hit both of them, which I didn't think I could, but apparently Tobirama is really more broken than we thought he was. I think there are rumors going around that Tobirama is going to get a limit break, which, if he does get a limit break, it is going to be so... He's going to be so useful for PvP and PvE. So I'm gonna start bringing this man in a PvE and PvP more. See, this is risky. This is risky. This is really... Wait, no, it's not, because it doesn't have any AoE, so it's not as risky as I thought. Come on, kill Sasuke. He switch sealed. He switch sealed, which is really good for me, because that Sasuke is done. Like, yeah, no, he's not coming back. Yeah, no. Yeah, no, that man's not coming back at all. Good. Chakra. Oh, no damage reduction. Okay, Sasuke still came in clutch. That's fine. Who's more health? What's he about to do? Alright, I gotta kill Sasuke off. Or else he's getting his jutsu. I don't like this man getting his jutsus. Let's go. GG. And my Obito was about to outspeed his Kakashi. He didn't pill his Kakashi, so that's his downfall. Yep. No, man. You should have spread out. I had a strategy from the beginning. You didn't. That was your downfall here. Oh, yes, let's go. We mobilized the heat on. I would have liked to... Wait, what did I just... No way. Okay, we just killed the Kakashi. My Gaara is here. You know what? We are going to go up here. I still don't trust the fact that I'm all grouped up like that. I look like a noob. Sasuke outspeeding! Sasuke outspeeding! See, this is why I like this man. People underrate him because he's got the low health. Put him on the battlefield. He's extremely good. And I pulled off another W. That's gonna be it for the stream. What am I talking about? Whatever. Sorry, guys. That's gonna be it for the video. I'm promoted. I am 4th Dan Special Joni. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. More videos will be posted. This is Kyvan282. Please subscribe. Leave a comment on what you like. Leave a comment. I can't speak. Sorry, guys. Leave a comment on what you would like to see next. And please like, subscribe, and see you later.